That's the shit picker-upper?
I'm old. It's hard to bend over at my age.
Yeah.
So
Can I help you pick up shit?
I got the shit and I didn't even have to bend over. Whoa! I didn't get it all. Not yet.
Can I help you pick up shit?
Huh? Does that help you pick up shit?
No, I said,
Does it
can
look
I
like
help?
it help? Huh?
I said, can I help you pick up shit?
Yeah. Here, let me put it in.
Yo.
Let me put it in your French fries. I'll be good. I promise I'll be good. I'm not gonna be bad. Huh?
Come on, Dylan. Dylan, run, go on. Yo, he's a creep. Yo, he's a beast. He's like, bye, shit, bye.